Well, that severe thunderstorm got here. Looks like it's not going to be a hail threat. It looks like it's going to be a wind threat. That storm is moving on. (11:45), April 17, 2019. Here comes a strong gust. Denton Airport just reported 74 mile per hour wind. Gust up to 80 miles per hour. That's me. That's right in here. And I don't think a damn thing's showing up. It's dark out. Yeah, this is definitely severe wind, and you got to remember, right here where I am, I'm really sheltered from the wind. So there's a big one. Yeah, this definitely could be 80 mile per hour wind. Oh, wow. Wow. That's hurricane force. It's definitely a strong wind gust. It's not a sustained wind, thankfully, but the wind gusts are very strong with this storm. So some places have reported 80 miles per hour. I believe it. Here comes another big one. Definitely hurricane force wind. Wow. Getting dirt in my eyes. That wind gust came right in here. There's a big one. That might have been the strongest one yet. That could very well be 80 mile per hour wind. Here comes a strong one again. It just won't stop. Here it comes. Wow. Oh my God. That's insane. This might be a microburst. I'm getting soaked even back here. No way I could have filmed in the front yard. That might have been 90 mile per hour wind right there. Definitely severe. I won't tell you my exact location, but I'm about a mile from Lake Dallas. This is impressive. Usually when we get severe weather, it's hail. We usually don't get a whole lot of strong wind here. Another big one. Jesus Christ. I really hope this is showing up on camera. This is one of the best storms we've had in years. Wow. I love the windstorms, man. I get tired of hailstorms here. There's a big one. Wow. Well, the leading edge of the storm is past us now. Let me get this. So, which I'm actually surprised we're still getting these incredible wind gusts. Because it usually does stop once the storm, once the front of the storm is blown by. Usually the wind dies down. We're still 13 minutes in, we're still getting these incredible wind gusts. Comes another good one. Another big one. If you're a weather lover, there's never a dull moment in Dallas. especially March, April, and May, and early June, and then again in October. That is a lot of water in the street. I didn't think it rained anywhere near that hard. That's almost like a river. And it's not done yet. Wow. That was a nice shot. Right time, right place. Don't see any broken trees. I'm sure if I were to drive around I'd find some, but I'm not gonna risk it. Tomorrow's garbage day. What a mess. Take a quick look at the radar. Severe thunderstorm. It's mostly past us at this point. Oh, that was a nice one. That was a beauty. Oh, that one was close. That's gonna be loud. That's probably the strongest wind we've had since that microburst in 2011. Which, oddly enough, 2011 we only got like 10 inches of rain. That was like the one storm we got that year. That's why we don't have any trees break in this neighborhood anymore. They all broke that year. That one got rid of all the weak trees. We just hit 65,000 subscribers like 2 hours ago. I want to thank you guys for that. We're killing it right now. $51,114,000 watch time and almost 13 million views. We've gained in the last 28 days over 13,000 subscribers, so we're killing it right now. And I'm gonna keep pumping out the videos, so we'll keep the ball rolling. I think this storm's just about done though. It's all east of us now. You guys in Frisco and McKinney better get ready. That wind was no joke. It's a third of Texas right there getting dumped on right now. So I think that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching.